Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brittney. And if you're not, welcome back. I have a little grocery haul for you. I've been supporting our local grocery store called CupFoods because we actually like to shop really late at night. It's 10:30, we just got home. We already ate dinner and everything, so we just went and grocery shopped, and the grocery stores are dead. And this one is 24 hours again. I know Walmart's, they close at like 8:30 or 9 now. They're not open. So typically I really don't care to shop at Walmart anymore. I do kind of miss Aldi, and I do like to shop at Walmart for certain things. Like if there's some sauces that I really like, and this and that, but we prefer Cub. We just really like it. So this isn't for me, but we finally got Jack some more kitty treats. Jason, you should give Jack some treats. Okay, and then we're gonna have I'll show you in a second. We're gonna have spaghetti and spaghetti squash. So we got. He's not a surf. Okay, my storage was full, so okay. We got some Zevia. So this one is the ginger root beer. We got grape, and I've tried the cherry cola. This one's good. So Jay and I wanted to try out the grape and the root beer. Which one did you want, Jay? Cherry cola. You want cherry cola? Cherry cola. I made ice. And like I was saying, we got garlic bread. I don't know if that got on there. Some more Ready Whip. And I heard you guys, I definitely always check my messages and everything. So I really appreciate when you tell me stuff about like sugar-free products for like Indy and stuff. Because I do feed her this, a little bit of it. So I make sure I don't get the sugar-free stuff. I get the regular full fat one, whatever. So she can have a little, because she looks forward to it every day. What's this? See, she knows what it is. Some beef. This is the 93.7. They don't have 96.4, and they do, but it's like $10, and I've never had it, so we like that stuff. More of these potatoes. These are really good, you guys. You can have half of a cup made for only 4 smart points, so it's a good deal. Some petite baby carrots. I love the petite ones, and I'm gonna dip them in mustard, and I also got a different mustard, which I don't know where it is right now, but some rice-a-roni. This stuff is a pain in the butt to make, but it's super good. It's so good. Probably you have rice and oil and beef broth. I'm gonna be making like a carrot cake type thing. Oh, there it is. What is it? Spicy brown?
French's spicy brown.
And then I was going to mix it with like honey mustard or something, like to make it sweet and spicy. So then I got these carrots to make this carrot cake. I'm obsessed with Healthy Haley right now. You guys may know that because I've been eating the broccoli or the carrots and mustard like her. But she makes a really healthy like carrot cake. It's just carrots, eggs, and oatmeal. And I'll probably make it for you guys on here. And I'll also take her down below so you can go check it out. I got some peanut butter because I'm gonna have. You should try it and let them know how it is. I'm gonna have peanut butter and like a Jiffy, like a little sandwich at night, because sometimes I just crave peanut butter. Like lately, I've been craving peanut butter and eating it off the spoon. Like it's so bad, and that's so bad because it's really high in points. So can't be doing that. So I just figure have a little bit. A really good snack. I love pickles. So we buy these pickles and we just snack on them. Jason likes them too. I like them a little more. They don't have any of our favorite green beans, the Del Monte, but these are really good too. Of course, it's the brand of CupFoods if you have a Cub by you, but they're really good. What?
I think it's everybody's brand.
Well, the one we had the other day was gross and hard. Chicken patties for our lunches, and I bought a seasoning, which I'll show you here in a second, to make them spicy, because I wanted a spicy chicken patty, but limited options, so it's fine. Some steak fries. I love steak fries. Just 3 ounces is enough, and it's so good. You trying it, Jay?
If you're used to a Pepsi Wild Cherry, or if you're used to like a Coke Wild Cherry, you don't really get that obviously you don't get that Pepsi or that Coke taste off the bat. Like,
oh, it's very cherry smelling.
It almost just tastes like water right off the bat, and then it hits you with like a burst of cherry.
It's good.
So at first it's kind of like what, and then it hits you with that cherry flavor afterwards.
I don't get the cola.
No, I don't. There's like no cola taste. It is legit. Like I feel like I'm drinking water, and then I get a hit of cherry like,
water or grenadine water.
Yeah, like I'm not even getting like.
It's good.
It's not like a hint of cherry. It's like all of a sudden the cherry smacks you in the face.
It's like whatcha.
You're not slapping me in the face.
I'm gonna. Jason got some mayo. You know how I do. We got some. Ooh. Jason's gonna make himself pizza for lunches, so he got a bunch of cheese, and I'm
making pizza for supper.
Ooh, you wanna tell him how to make your pizza?
No.
It's super easy.
Secret family recipe.
It kind of is. I got cottage cheese. People like when you're in my videos, babe. Some more pizza cheese. Jason loves this brand, and this kind. This brand is super good for cheese, but it is 4 points. He puts on his pizza.
Thanks for giving away the secret recipe.
I'm going to be making the skinny-ish dish. I'll link it down below for you guys, but I'm going to be making the, and I'll also probably make a video when I make it. Philly cheese steak stuffed peppers. Stay tuned for that. Cheddar brats. We're going to have them on the grill, hopefully. Corn on the cob, because we love corn, but these are a little sad. But, I mean, they're
on a season.
They're deep. Well, they are. Isn't it summer?
You don't get them
Fall?
until like August.
They repackaged everywhere. My sugar-free stuff, it looks like normal stuff.
Maybe they just haven't got the updated brand. Getting rid of their...
I don't know how to tell if the spaghetti squash is good or not, but this is what I got. We're gonna have spaghetti. He'll probably have real noodles because I don't know if he'll like this. But I'm gonna just microwave this. You can microwave these. Fun fact. Jason got some turkey. I like this too. Never tried this, so let me know down below what you guys think if you have. But we're gonna do these because we're gonna make drumroll tostados, whatever they
call them Mexican pizzas.
Mexican pizza, and I'm gonna use this on top.
Technically is a tostada pizza.
Butter. I don't cook with butter often, but you never know. Sometimes we just need butter. More green beans. This is the seasoning I was talking about.
Mike Myers would say, the butter.
Spicy. This is This is like a non-salt option. We got some more salsa. This is Clint's Texas salsa and medium. Getting down to the last big, and there's no more room on the counter. They're hot dog buns because they didn't have any of my light Italian ones. These are 7 points. Because I was trying to find the Johnsonville turkey dogs because they usually have them at our grocery store, but of course they didn't because those are only 3 points. That's 7. But then we got regular buns. These are probably 4 points. I'm not sure. My favorite bread. I will not eat any other bread. This has my heart. Any type of bread. I mean, this is Village Heart too. They just make such good bread. Planned on having the marshmallow fluff and peanut butter on one slice for like a nighttime treat because I do have issue at night when I really like nighttime. I crave. That's when I crave stuff that I don't need. So I try to find solutions to not feel like I have to eat the whole house. Got some more tin foil. Some red peppers for our stuffed peppers. Lettuce. Ooh, my muffins might be done.
How are you, the muffin man?
Oh! Sorry, I think I just stepped on you.
It's like Mickey Mouse, you know.
I'm almost done with my grocery haul.
How are you, the muffin man? And she does a Mickey Mouse laugh.
Whatever, dude. Oh. See, here's my muffins. I'm making more. They make like 48. Back to the paid program. Those are the tostados that we got, or whatever. I don't know how to say them. Tostitos. What? How do you say?
Tostito. Well, Tostitos is a chip.
Don't crunch them, JJ.
They're already crunchy.
We got some cookies for my friend. Jason's gonna make them for her. Don't worry, she doesn't watch these, I don't think. But she's very
giving
sad.
Away the secret.
This won't be up on Thursday. She's sad, so Jason wants to make her happy.
I just want cookies. I'm just blaming it that we're making it for her friend.
The chicken we're gonna use, we've never used this before, but I've seen other people use this brand and
prove it. Link them below.
For the taco pizza. You link them below.
You link them below.
Oh yeah, and that's the Papa Choice this week for us. I want to try the grape one really bad.
Kemp's 2% milk.
Oh yeah, and milk. And then we just got some Kleenexes and garbage bags.
Toilet paper, because nobody wants mud butt.
You got Charmin?
Yeah. Should be the good stuff.
Alright, you guys, the 10 ply. Okay, you guys, that's all for our grocery haul this
week. I feel like there's some alcohol in this.
Why, you feeling a little drunk?
No, it's just like, it's like legit. You're drinking water with like cherry flavoring. I almost feel like there's vodka in it or something, you know?
Yuck. Hello, you guys. I was making dinner and I've been craving these FunFetti cupcakes. I've made them before. I don't know if I've had them on my channel, but I have a recipe I think you guys will like. They're low point and I'm gonna make them for you. So all you need is a box of FunFetti cake, or basically any kind of cupcake you want. 0% fat-free yogurt, and I have a cup of water here. I set my oven at 350 and it says for 25-ish minutes, but since I'm using this little pancake, this little muffin dish, it might be less time. Here we go. Okay, you guys, so I have a mini muffin pan here that makes 24, so it's definitely gonna make like 48 muffins. Try to fill it about halfway because you guys know muffins rise, so some of them are a little more full than others, but they taste phenomenal with just the mix, so that's a plus. Okay, you guys, they are a 10 out of 10. I just cooked them for 10 minutes and they came out golden. They're delicious. My dinner is actually in the oven now, so I'm gonna cook the rest of these after. I look really rough, but they're so good, you guys. And they're so like moist. And I did baby ones, so they're like perfect. You guys, thank you so much for watching.
I just gotta bleach it blonde. I
will see you in the next one, and let me know if this gives you any inspiration with a thumbs up. I'll keep doing them. I love grocery hauls. They're fun. And like I said, this is all from Cup Foods. So most of this you can get at Walmart, except for like the Essential brand.
Hey, my cup's even from Cup Foods.
Yeah, it is. That's the only stuff that you probably can't find, but they have other brands. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.